Hello and welcome. My name is James William, and today I'm excited to guide you through a powerful technique that can significantly enhance your English pronunciation. The method we'll explore is known as shadowing. Now, when we think of a shadow, we usually imagine that dark shape that follows us around when we're out in the sunlight. It's always just a step behind us, quietly mimicking every move we make. In a similar way, shadowing in language learning is about closely imitating spoken English immediately after you hear it. It's like echoing someone's words with almost no delay. Imagine you're standing in a sunny room, and light is streaming in from one side. You'll notice shadows on the opposite side of your face. That's the same relationship you should have when practicing shadowing. Your speech follows the original speaker's voice just as a shadow follows light. So, how do we do it? You begin by choosing a piece of spoken English. This could be a famous speech, a news broadcast, a podcast, or even a song. It doesn't matter what it is as long as it interests you and, more importantly, you can understand the words. That's crucial because, in order to shadow properly, you need to say the words almost at the same moment you hear them. No long pauses. No waiting. It's a real-time mimicry exercise. To demonstrate this, we'll be using a historic speech, the legendary, "I Have a Dream" address by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Before we begin, just know that this method demands intense focus. It's not as simple as passively listening. You're going to be actively involved in every syllable. Now, I'll play a short clip of the speech. As it plays, listen closely and then try to say the words at the same time, yes, simultaneously. The line begins, "I'm happy to join with you today in what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation." Right away, you jump in, don't wait for the sentence to finish. That's shadowing. The challenge is that you're not fully waiting to hear the entire phrase, you're catching the rhythm, the tone, and jumping into the flow as soon as possible. This is similar to what professional interpreters do when translating live speeches. You catch the meaning quickly and reproduce it in real time. It trains your brain and mouth to work together fast, which is perfect for refining pronunciation, fluency, and speech confidence. But let's be honest, it's not easy at first. If this feels too overwhelming, there's a gentler way to begin. Instead of shadowing right away, you can simply repeat after the speaker. This is called echo practice. You listen to one small phrase, pause the audio, and repeat it exactly, matching the pronunciation, the rhythm, the emotion, and even the accent. Let's try that together now. The speaker says, "At this time, I have the honor to present to you," now pause, and you repeat, "At this time, I have the honor to present to you." Next phrase, "the moral leader of our nation." Now you, the moral leader of our nation. Let's go on, "I have the pleasure to present to you," you say it next. And finally, Dr. Martin Luther King. That's it, short phrases that are easier to manage and perfect for practicing accurate pronunciation. As you do this, pay very close attention to the intonation, the rise and fall of the speaker's voice. Notice the pacing, are the words fast, slow, smooth, or sharp? Also, listen for any accent. If you hear a slight Southern American accent, don't ignore it, try to copy it. This helps you improve not just pronunciation but also your listening skills and awareness of natural speech patterns. If you're wondering where to find good audio for this kind of practice, you can check out websites like Voice of America at voanews.com. They offer clear, slow English news stories that are perfect for learners. Alternatively, just search for the "I Have a Dream" speech on YouTube or Google, and you'll find it easily. Over the next hour, we'll continue practicing both shadowing and echo techniques with different clips. You'll hear segments from motivational speeches, news excerpts, and even casual conversations. After each segment, I'll pause to let you repeat, then we'll try shadowing with smaller chunks. Don't worry if you make mistakes, this is a process, and the goal is to keep improving little by little. The more you practice, the more fluent and confident you'll sound. Think of this like going to the gym for your English speaking muscles. At first, it's tiring and maybe even frustrating. But with consistent practice, you'll see noticeable improvement. By the end of this session, you'll be surprised how much clearer your English sounds. You'll be more comfortable speaking, your words will come out smoother, and your pronunciation will become much more accurate. And the best part? You can apply this shadowing method anytime, while watching movies, listening to podcasts, or during your morning walk with headphones. Just mimic the speaker in real time, and you're training your brain and tongue at once. I encourage you to repeat today's practice daily with different clips. The more variety, the better your results. So stay with me throughout this session. Keep your focus sharp, your energy up, and your voice ready. We're going to dive into more examples, more practice, and more progress. Let's unlock your full speaking potential, one shadow at a time. Thanks for being here, and let's get started.